Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so looking at the daily chart, the band ride continues. We're in the September contract now. They tried to push it down a little bit in the overnight. They couldn't get it below 74. We've gone up and done a higher high, printed in the 86 area. As we head into today, until the bears show some traction, until they want to matter, you're going to see, you're going to see dips get bought. You're going to see higher lows and higher highs. You're going to, the Bollinger Bandwidth is at 3.68, so they're still fairly tight. You can see them just kind of starting to expand. Hourly chart, here's your new weekly pivot at 66.5. Daily pivot was support overnight. The hourly mid band is trying to be support here. You can see the band's tightening up a little bit from the overnight. And if we reach and get up over 86.5, then you can do a real assault on anywhere between 92 and 97 today. If the bears are going to be for real, they got to convert 81. Then you got to convert daily pivot there at 74 and make a run at the weekly pivot down at 66.5. It feels like the bears need news. If the bears don't get news in a vacuum, this thing absolutely positively wants to go higher. You had the G7 stuff that could knock it down past daily pivot, and now it is they continue to buy these dips. So we'll see what the open looks like. We open in about 7 minutes, so I want to get this out. But just a quick look at what we're looking at here. Those are the areas to watch. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.